Hi everyone, this is Rio, the founder of XANA Metaverse. Today, let me introduce about NFTDuel, the first native GameFi of XANA Metaverse. Here you can select a Web2 login or wallet login. If you click wallet login, there will be a QR code to show up, so you can just scan by your wallet to log in. If you are a traditional gamer or Web2 user, don't worry about it. It's gonna be very easy. Just like a normal game, you can use your email address or phone number and set your password to make your account. That means you don't have to have any kind of wallet to start playing the game, so this is very efficient for the mass adoption. Here is the main screen. You have a deck, ranking, and setting. If you click setting, then you can adjust your display name, or you can change your language, and you can adjust also the resolution of the game or sound setting. The great part is you can adjust individually your BGM or voice or effect so that you can customize based on your purpose. Okay, let's go back to the top screen. If you click ranking, you'll be able to see the leaderboard depend on the leagues. So we have a trial league, bronze league, and you can just select it to see the ranking inside of that league. Okay, let's click the deck. Here is the part you will organize your own deck to prepare the duel. On the top, you can see check deck and build deck. Let's click the build deck. This is a place where you can create your own new deck, also change your name of the deck, and on the right top, you have an option to save deck or delete deck. On the left side, you will see the robust filters. This is really helpful for you to look for the card you want. And if you're still not familiar with the card, don't worry, we have an amazing function called Auto-Build Deck. Here the system will automatically create the deck for you based on your rig. And even after the Auto-Build Deck, you can still customize and modify it. You will just select the card you don't need and switch to the card you want. On the left side, you will see the deck you are building. And the right side, it'll show you the card you own. You can simply grab the card from the right side and drop it on the left side. When you satisfied your deck, you can change the name of the deck based on the characteristic of your card deck, and you can save it. On the right side, above the Let's Duel button, you see the deck selection that you want to bring to the next duel. You can also click the eye icon to double check your deck before you go into the duel. And now you're all set. You click the Let's Duel to let the system to start matching with your duel opponent. The matching waiting time is really depend on how many users are online and waiting for the matching at that moment. When the system finds the opponent, it will bring you to the duel stage. Here is my favorite part. There is a Metaverse city and flying duel stage is coming down from the sky. In the beginning of the duel, there is a phase called Mulligan, which allows you to select the card you don't want to replace. Okay, let's start the duel. You have 5 cards in the hand, and once your turn comes, you will draw the 1 card from the deck. You will select a card from the hand to place to the battlefield. It cannot take action immediately. On that turn, it will be a sleep mode and it will be ready to take action from the next turn. If you have a card in the battlefield and ready to fight, then you will select the opponent card to attack. On the right side of UI, there is a button for the turn. You need to make all of the actions within the 60 seconds each turn. Once the turn meter becomes 0, it will be switched to the other player's turn. When you don't have any action to take, you can also click that button to finish your turn immediately. You finish your turn and enemy turn starts. Enemy will place the card from the hand as well. You will automatically draw the card from your deck every time a new turn starts. Just remember, every card you place into the battlefield, you might notice there is a green light around the card. It is telling you that which card in your hand is ready to place. Because every card has a cost to take action. Every single turn, the cost will be topped up. You will see the numbers left side of the deck, which is displaying you the cost. And you will consume that cost every time you take action. And the amount of the cost to consume is depend on the card. Basically, stronger card needs more cost to consume. Other than the cost, which is displayed as a green circle, you can also see the blue circle and red circle on the card. The blue circle represents the attack power, while the red circle represents the defense power. Once the card attacks other card, the calculation will occur between the attack power and defense power of both cards. You'll be able to reduce the opponent card's defense power by the amount of the attack power your card has. Once the defense power of the card is reduced to 0, that card will be destroyed. One of the most important key to win an NFT duel is to understand the elements. There are 5 elements in total. Each element has weakness and strength. When the element is stronger than another, then you can give a double damage or reduce the damage to half. The way to win the duel is to reduce the opponent's player's HP to 0. Once you beat all of the cards in the opponent's battlefield, then you can give a direct attack to the opponent player. Another interesting feature is the ability. There are special abilities assigned to the cards which has greater than level 5 card. Each ability will drastically affect the battle situation. You can use those stronger cards when you are in the higher leagues. That's it for the basic explanation of NFT Duel. I hope you guys enjoyed the duel and I'll see you in the next video.